ASY Studio is fusing ancient wisdom with modern therapy for profound well-being. What if modern health's key was hidden in the past? 40% of our medicines are rooted in ancient knowledge. This link isn't just physical. Modern CBT mirrors ancient stoicism in managing thoughts and emotions. ASY Studio makes this powerful, timeless connection intentional and accessible for today's world. Now, we will break down the science, the proven results, and the reason this integrated method works. So what does combining these worlds actually mean for you? It means a complete program for your entire being. This isn't just a trend, it's a movement with growing scientific validation from fields like neuroscience. The results are compelling. Studies show integrated therapies for anxiety often outperform single methods. Yoga and meditation, paired with psychotherapy, build profound self-awareness and lasting emotional control. This is not about just managing symptoms. It's about fixing root causes to build long-term resilience. We've seen the impressive results, but how does this actually work inside our bodies and our brains? Ancient wisdom knew the mind and body were one. Science now shows these practices regulate our stress axis. But how can breath alter brain structure? The answer is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Practices like meditation actively retrain your brain's emotional circuits. Think of your brain as a hill of snow. Negative thoughts are sleds creating deep ruts. Meditation helps you carve new, healthier paths. Psychotherapy is vital for processing thoughts, but trauma and stress are also stored physically as tension in the body, a peace talk therapy can miss. This is where a practice like yoga becomes so valuable. It supplies a body-based release for this stored tension, complementing cognitive work. We have the theory and the science. But what does this look like in practice? Let's examine a successful integrated model. A prime example is mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, or MBCT. It directly combines mindfulness with modern CBT. MBCT is now a gold standard treatment for preventing depression relapse, proving how observing thoughts can physically rewire the brain. Critically, these programs give you power. You learn practical tools to use anytime, anywhere, building autonomy in your own healing. So, the evidence shows this integration leads to better outcomes and personal empowerment. But is the process always simple? Bringing these worlds together responsibly demands nuance. We must address therapist competency and respect the cultural origins of these practices. Done right, this work makes mental health care more accessible, building trust in diverse communities by using familiar, respected practices. This is why ASY Studio's commitment to certified practitioners and authentic sourcing is so important for the integrity of the process. Working through these points is vital. When we do, we find a new degree of healing. Let's pull all these threads together. We started with a fact about ancient medicine inspiring modern drugs. We've now seen how the software of our minds follows a similar logic. The science of neuroplasticity confirms we have agency over our well-being. The tools from MBCT and yoga are the methods to direct that change. This integrated method is therefore about something more than feeling better. It's about creating a deep sense of internal balance. This synergy between old wisdom and new science isn't a niche idea. It represents a major future trend in personalized healthcare. The case is clear. The wisdom of the past, validated by the science of today, presents a powerful path forward. How can you start? ASY Studio's new programs are built on this exact foundation, offering a structured, expert-guided way to gain these benefits. You do not have to choose between ancient wisdom and modern science. The most effective path combines the how with the deep why. To learn more about the programs and how they can help you build resilience, visit the ASY Studio website. Your path to well-being isn't about a quick fix. It's about rediscovering the powerful, integrated tools you already possess. ASY Studio, Ancient Wisdom, Modern Well-Being.